Wika, Winnie one, Wika.
Orap siya, di ka ra wiriwan.
No sleep, no.
I'm sleeping. Shut up.
شراب انت شراب.
You...
ماني نو هاني.
No money, no honey. This is Shut up, box 6. Shut up.
بوكسوان شراب.
No money, no honey.
No money, no honey.
You shut up and go sleep.
Yes. No
Go
money,
sleep.
no honey.
Go sleep.
Okay, sleep.
No money, no honey.
No money, no honey.
Where you learned that from? Huh?
What?
Who teach you no money, no honey?
Yes, no money, no honey.
Who teach you?
ما نفهم هالشي، ما نفهم هالشي. What? No. Comment.
Oh, okay, never mind. Read the comments.
من يعلمك؟
Who teach you? No money, no honey. You are. Oh, we did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, so he learned it on the live.
Just give me my money.
No money, no honey.
Just give me my money. Just give me my money. Just give me my money.
Oh, he
Hi, book
understands
7.
reading it? He understands reading it? I learned some words from you. Me? Me? I don't even say no money, no honey, bro. I don't say that.
Just give me my
No
money.
money, no honey.
Go to sleep. You shut up. Go sleep.
You شراب sleep. Okay, sleep. Go
You
sleep.
sleep, okay?
Hi,
Yeah,
book
you go sleep.
7.
Say, Buck 7, I love you. There's Auntie. Say hi, Auntie.
You laugh at me?
ألعب book 7.
What about Auntie? Books 4. What about books 4?
Books 4, I love you.
You love books 4?
Yes, love too.
You're
Oh, too.
happy?
Yes.
Simo, you married?
Yes.
You have kids?
Yes.
How many?
ليش سبايسي؟ ليش سبايسي؟ شراب ميوت
kids?
شراب.
Era que buen mute, shut up.
Simo,
Yes.
you're saying I'm gonna mute shut up? I'm gonna shut up? Me?
Yes.
Go sleep. Get out.
No sleep, no sleep.
Okay, no sleep. Simo. Or husband.
Yes.
What? Yes. You married? You married?
You comment my sister comment والله English small.
Oh, okay.